Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off health and fitness information sync to iCloud on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, tap on your Apple account profile. Then we go down and tap on iCloud. Next, in the apps using iCloud section, tap on Show All. Now go down and tap on Health. In here, tap on Sync this iPhone. Tap on the toggle button to turn off syncing or turn on syncing. Now set up turn off health in iCloud. Turning off iCloud means your health data, fitness data, and settings will no longer be saved in iCloud. If you are sure, tap on the turn off button to switch it off. Then any information on your phone, you can choose to keep it or delete from my iPhone. And if you want to switch it on, just simply tap on the toggle button to turn it on. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.